In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to dark mode on the TradingView mobile app. If you spend a lot of time using this app, you might want to give your eyes a break with a more comfortable viewing experience. Switching to a dark theme can help reduce glare and save battery life on devices with OLED screens. Let's explore how you can make this simple yet effective change. First, you'll want to open the TradingView app on your mobile device. It doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android. The process will be straightforward on both platforms. Once you've launched the app, take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you haven't used it in a while. Next, look for your profile icon. This is your gateway to accessing various settings within the app. Depending on your version of TradingView, the icon can be found either in the top left or the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap this icon to open the menu. It might be a good idea to note where this icon is, as it's a key feature you'll use often for different settings. In the menu, you'll see various options. What you're looking for is the dark theme toggle switch. This is the option that allows you to change the appearance from light to dark. Take your time to scroll through the menu if needed and explore other settings that might interest you while looking for the dark theme option. Once you've located the dark theme toggle, simply tap it. It's that easy, just a single tap, and your TradingView interface will instantly switch to the dark mode. This change will be obvious immediately, as the interface adopts a darker background with contrasting text and elements. This transformation is particularly beneficial if you're working in dimly lit environments or late at night, making it gentler on the eyes. Switching to a dark theme is more than just a change in appearance. It's about creating an environment that's conducive to better concentration and comfort. With the dark mode activated, you might find it easier to spend extended periods analyzing charts without experiencing the same level of eye strain. Plus, if you're using an OLED screen, you might also notice that your device's battery life is slightly enhanced because dark pixels consume less power. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the dark mode on the TradingView app. Remember, user interfaces are constantly updating, so it's always good to explore any new features TradingView might introduce. Thanks for following along, and I hope this makes your TradingView experience more pleasant and productive.